Namaste. Today we are diving into a topic that blends ancient wisdom with modern science: fasting versus feasting. So, is fasting a tool for purification or is it just another health trend? More importantly, how do we fast and feast the right way? Let's explore these questions through the lens of Ayurveda and yoga. We begin by looking at the purpose of fasting. In Ayurveda, fasting is called upvas, a tool for detoxification and spiritual growth. Ayurveda emphasizes that fasting rekindles the digestive fire, which we call Agni, which is key to maintaining health and vitality. In yoga, fasting is a practice of tapa, a discipline which purifies the body and mind. It is like decluttering your room to allow fresh energy to flow in. It can develop your willpower by managing your cravings and bodily demands, thus teaching moderation and restraint in all aspects of life. But here is the exciting part. Modern science supports this ancient wisdom. Research confirms that fasting helps to reduce inflammation, it improves gut health, and it enhances cellular repair through a process called autophagy, which can also lead to anti-aging benefits. But we have to keep one thing in mind. Fasting should not be a punishment. As a revered guru Hansama wisely says, one should fast with joy and awareness, not out of fear or compulsion. So, the key is to fast gently, respecting our body's unique needs. Now let's talk about some common mistakes that we can easily avoid while fasting. Firstly, fasting for the wrong reasons. Fasting is not a quick fix for weight loss. Neither is it a way to punish yourself for overeating. It is about healing and balance. Now let's look at some common mistakes that we can easily avoid while fasting. Ignoring our body types. Ayurveda teaches us about Vata, Pitta and Kapha constitutions. A Vata individual may feel anxious if they fast for too long, but a Kapha individual benefits from lighter and regular fasting. So one size does not fit all. Thirdly, overeating after a fast. It is like cleaning your house and then throwing garbage all over it. Breaking a fast should be gentle with light foods, otherwise it will negate all benefit. And lastly, going to extremes. Yoga is about balance. So fasting for days without adequate preparation or pushing ourselves to the point of exhaustion is harmful, not helpful. So now let's look at the right way to fast, blending the wisdom of yoga, Ayurveda, and modern science. One should start with awareness. Fasting is not just for the body, it is also for the mind and spirit. We can use this time for reflection, meditation, and silence. It is like a spiritual detox. Secondly, one should align with nature's rhythms. Ayurveda suggests fasting with the cycles of the moon and seasonal changes. Fasting during spring clears all the accumulated kapha. Thirdly, staying hydrated with warm water, herbal teas, and lime water. It cleanses the body and supports our fasting journey. Lastly, breaking the fast. We should always listen to our body. If we feel faint, irritable, or overly fatigued, we can change the fasting method. Breaking the fast is as important as the process of fasting. We should always start with light, easy to digest foods like a fruit, soup, or khichdi. We should always avoid heavy or processed foods. So now let's talk about feasting. Feasting, when done mindfully, is a celebration, a joyful expression of gratitude. Yoga says that we should eat with awareness as if every bite is an offering. We must savor our food, appreciating it for the nourishment that it provides, and also make mindful choices favoring local and seasonal foods. Ayurveda suggests that we incorporate all 6 tastes: sweet, sour, salty, bitter, pungent, and astringent in each meal for complete nourishment. More than that, feasting is about connection. The joy of sharing our meals with our loved ones nourishes our heart and soul. The emotional joy of eating together is as important as the food itself. But feasting can go wrong if it turns into overindulgence. Excessive eating, especially of sugary foods or fried foods, can lead to lethargy. It can disrupt the digestive system and build up toxicity. In Ayurveda, this is called Am, a toxic buildup, which is a direct result of overeating or mindless eating. Late night binges are especially harmful because they disrupt a body's natural rhythms. So to sum it up, fasting and feasting are not opposites, but they are complementary practices. Fasting cleanses and rejuvenates, while feasting nourishes and celebrates. When approached with mindfulness, Both can lead to physical health, mental clarity, and spiritual growth. Thank you for watching this, and please do share it with someone who can benefit from these timeless principles. Stay healthy and stay blessed. Namaste.